So here we have Michelangelo and Michelangelo. Let's just put Michelangelo to the side. Today we have a review to do on Tevo Michelangelo. We got this sent to us directly from Tevo to do a review on. First things first, let's unbox. So as always, good straps to keep the box intact. Looks to be a small printer. And to the side, let's get to it. First of all, when we open the box, the first thing we see is the packaging material. As always, Tevo's packaging their stuff good. And now we get into instructions. Give you a quick glimpse of instructions, and then we can move on to the printer. So, this printer is, I think, it's all put together, so there shouldn't be much in the assembly manual. Let's have a look. Looks like there's just installed the 4 rubber feet at the bottom of the machine. Connect the power cord. Some fine tuning. Just in the build plate. Nothing much. I like it. What? Business card. And let's get to the printer. As always, all USB cable. We hardly ever use these because we've just got our big one we use all the time. We have the feet for the printer, and by the looks of it, maybe printed part from the Michelangelo. Looks to be a 20 by 20 by 20 millimeter cube. Okay, that's me back with my vernier and my cube. Let's see if it's 20 by 20 by 20. Don't know what axes each bit's being printed on, but here goes. One of the sides is 19.97. Another side is 19.80, and the Z, I take it, is because it's got a raft on it, is 19.91. So it's off by a wee bit, but not much. Let's see the layer length. Doesn't look like over extruding, and so far I don't see any salmon skin. Here's hoping. Here's the feet. Let's get on to what other stuff we have. So now, Michelangelo tools. Got SD card, probably be throwing that, and some Allen keys, wrench, screwdriver, basic stuff. Now let's get into unboxing the printer. Let's see what we have. Cute. It's all fireable. Just a little bit of juke. Oh. Again, cable we need to replace. It's no biggie. Cables cost £2. Easy to get. Just a kettle cable, well packaged. Really well packaged. Really well packaged. Here we go. Take off more packaging. Tevo is really good at packaging the printer. Really good. Every section's covered by this foam. We don't need to keep it going. It's a tiny cute wee printer. Ooh, we can put cookie cutters on it. Invest this in it. And here we have it. Nice tiny printer. Let's see what I can do.